man's world.
Bene ragazzi, ciao a tutti del commento veneziano, ragazzi, Utah Jazz, Philadelphia 76ers, ragazzi. Mancano 19 partite alla fine della regular season, siamo in corsa per i playoff, dobbiamo stare attenti perché comunque siamo al sesto posto. Vai ragazzi.
7'4" wingspan. No wonder he's been a dynamic shot blocker before he arrived in the NBA, and now it's just a matter of getting bigger and stronger.
You know, I love the fact that he's always turned up. His motor is excellent. Now he's got to recover from that ACL injury, but I'll tell you what I saw of him as a shot blocker,
la partita pomeridiana che mi sono migliorato ancora nel rimbalzo offensivo
e
anche in altre abilità di quelle speciali. Iniziamo subito di merda.
The road trip ends for the Jazz here as they leave for Utah right after the game. With most of their upcoming games taking place at home, they have a chance here to make a nice little push.
Checking out Utah, they put together what I would call a dream season. I mean, they've elevated their play and have really
di veneziano e subito mattone, ragazzi. Subito un bel mattone. Turner, Douglas, Richardson, primo fallo di Utah. Beh, questa regular season sta per finire. Primo punto della partita. Billups, Chancey, Billups.
The question for him has been, does he have the strength to play?
Not right now. He's got to get stronger. He's first got to recover from that ACL tear that he suffered. But if in
bravissimo
fact he
Kenter,
can
primi
get
2 punti che per
stronger, I
Utah.
love his motor.
E inizia anche la nostra Power PJ.
As an offensive player.
There's a lot to withstand inside in the NBA.
No question about it.
Here's Douglas after Enes Kanter's basket. Douglas dishes to Richardson. Douglas the pass.
Bravissimo veneziano, gli ha subito fastidio, stoppata ma non va bene. Male.
The defense just looked a little lazy on the glass there.
Yeah, nobody boxing out. That's inexcusable.
Phillips kicks to Kanter.
Fallo su Kenter, i veneziani in questo primo quarto non sta toccando palla, la cosa non mi piace. Bravo Kenter, bel tiro dalla linea della carità. 0 su 2 e si gode. Ragazzi, non è che non siamo ancora matematicamente playoff, anzi, sveglia. Queste trasferte maledette. Dai, sveglia, grazie. Bravissimo Kent, ma veneziano non tocca una palla, ragazzi. Non vogliono passarla al cume. Ricordo sempre che registro il primo e ultimo quarto. Occhio, eccolo là. Ragazzi, finalmente tocco palla. Veneziano prova subito di no, stoppata indescrivibile. Che inizio di merda. Williams.
There's Williams with the three. They shoot again.
Bello, bravo Kenter. Mamma che disastro di partita.
So for the Jazz, their last game a loss to New York.
Yeah, but in that game,
Richardson, Young.
They went into that building and just got blown out by
bombone. Sbagliato per fortuna. Oh, vai come si butta. Oh, e fa i primi due punti della partita. Finalmente ragazzi, primi 2 punti alle ferte. Young. Douglas. Turner.
76ers moving the ball around.
Ne sbaglia uno Philadelphia adesso.
They'd love to have a few more easy baskets like that to kind of set the tone for the rest of the game.
The chosen one passes to Canada.
Dai, un bel blocco, mi serve un blocco.
Here's the chosen one. 29 points for him last game against New York.
Madonnina del Signore. Dopo i 29 punti a New York, il disastro sempre più puro. Primo quarto da dimenticare.
Derek Favors checked in for Kansas.
Subito Venezia prova il tiro e finalmente altri 2 punti belli cazzuti.
He had that play ready to go. Well done on the inbound.
All right, let's go over to the sideline with Doris Burke.
I caught up with head coach Brett Brown. We talked about how they can best press their advantages in this game, and he told me that he expects their shot blocking to play an important role. He said, listen, obviously we want to keep them on the perimeter as much as possible, but with our length and timing, we can also bottle them up inside. And Kevin, he's hoping that will secure their second win in this series.
Thank you very much, Doris. Defensive strategy, guys.
Bravissimo e sfrutta il buco. Perfetto. E cominciamo a carburare. Perfetto, bravissimi ragazzi. Con Philadelphia bisogna vincere. Bella azione spettacolosa, sensation come me. Primo assist di Veneziano e gol.
That's going to open things up for them on the perimeter going forward, Clark.
Douglas kicks to Young. Dishes it to Douglas.
Bello qua, ragazzi, sono una partita molto aperta,
Douglas has got his first points of the night.
Purtroppo sembra una partita combattuta.
So many times tonight the energy in this building has gone from one way to the other.
For Utah, they've gone 6 of 12 from the field here in the first quarter. Phillips passes to the chosen one.
Da 3 punti tiro impossibile, ma troppo impossibile.
The rebound by Turner. Looking at Philadelphia, they took the win in their last game against Oklahoma City.
Bravo, come che dà fastidio, molto bene. No, che cesso, mamma mia. Intanto perdiamo delle palle, però veramente senza senso, io non capisco sinceramente.
Let's catch up with Doris from the sideline.
I was able to listen on what Tyrone Corbin was going over with his team. Perimeter defense was his main
possiamo tornare in gioco.
He wants to take away the outside
Eccola là,
shot.
più 3 Philadelphia.
Several times. No open jumpers. It's still very early in this game, so there's plenty of time for those changes to take effect, Kevin.
Thank you, Doris. Here's the chosen one. Following the basket.
Buono, vai triplone ti prego. Sì. Bravi ragazzi, bravi.
They really can't allow him too many open looks like that. I mean, that's just inviting trouble.
Partita difficile, però spigolosa. Ho bisogno però della vittoria assolutamente.
Coming off a stellar performance against Oklahoma City. Turner gets the screen from Hawes.
Ma che dai, ma sti qua li mettono veramente tutti,
Turner's got 6 points.
You know, the defense didn't exactly try to fight around that screen, and that's why it turned into the easy basket.
Williams.
Here's the chosen one. He's guarded by Roten.
Bravo. E Veneziano, ma Dio Cristo, non è che male che sto tirando in sto primo quarto. Malissimo ragazzi, malissimo. Però stagione comunque gloriosa di Veneziano, Vai. Utah non c'è ragazzi, Utah non c'è.
And it wouldn't surprise me to see them go back to that the next trip.
I think you have to be physical.
Purtroppo per adesso Utah non c'è moltissimo.
Shows that you can also be effective without being, kind of a grinder inside. He's a very skilled passer and shooter even from the block, and that's what makes him such a
Torniamo a
good
-2 per
asset on this
favore.
team.
Utah with the ball. Tony Roten missing his last shot. The chosen one passes to Rush.
Sono stramarcato, cazzo.
Here's the chosen one.
Vai Burke. No.
6 on the shot clock. Ejected by Young.
E vaffanculo, rimbalzo più canestro e gol.
You know, there's a lot of guys who can hit shots.
-2 Utah.
But I'm amazed by his ability to hit shots with defenders draped all over him.
Yeah, almost high-fiving him on the follow through.
Ok, finisce il primo quarto, ragazzi, ci ribecchiamo nel secondo.
That's a performance.
Ragazzi, da essere una partita non bella, guardate la classifica e le classifiche, le statistiche: 22 punti, 11 assist, quindi double double e 6 rimbalzi e 3 palle recuperate e una stoppata. Prestazione fantascientifica di Veneziano e arriva l'assist. Ragazzi, Veneziano rischia la triple double, la tripla doppia, ragazzi. Però è dura fare 34 rimbalzi e non è semplice. Ma che partita, 22 punti, 12 assist, 6 rimbalzi, una stoppata e 3 palle recuperate. Un veneziano fantascientifico.
Well, over that break, I listened in on Brett Brown's huddle. He is not pleased with the score and implored them to try to make a push right now, saying, "We don't have time, fellas."
Oggi veramente gli assist sono arrivati in maniera devastante.
Pretty blunt, Kevin. Back to you.
Here's the chosen one, Richardson cover.
Insomma, che scorre il tempo, ragazzi.
There's the pick. The chosen one passes to Cannon.
Vai, Williams. E arriva un altro assist. Mamma mia, ragazzi. Cosa sta combinando Veneziano?
Yeah, they have the defense on the run
Che
right now
partita.
because every pass seems to have a purpose. They're getting great movement, great spacing, and they're really lining them up defensively.
Terzo fallo di Veneziano.
And that'll be his third foul so far.
E ci hanno messi bene qui falli. Non cominciamo come sempre l'ultimo quarto e il quarto di merda. No, fallo. Tiro libero supplementare. La dobbiamo vincere questa, ragazzi. Voglio andare ai playoff, voglio fare il miracolo con Utah. Ma no, Kent va incurato male. Errore imperdonabile.
For them, the Knicks, a road game in New York. That'll be just one game played away from home for them.
Yeah, some good matchups, and I'll tell you that Pacers game definitely has caught my eye.
Occhio a Richardson.
Richardson kicks to Douglas. Young against Williams.
Fallo di Williams, male, male, male.
That's his fourth foul of the contest.
Mancano 6 minuti e 12 alla fine di sta cazzo di partita, la dobbiamo vincere assolutamente. E perde l'uomo, la cagata.
Turner dishes to Young. Just 5 on the clock. There's Noel.
E un altro rimbalzo.
It's rebounded by
Siamo a 7, porca puttana. Non ho mai fatto una tripla doppia.
The rebounding has been terrific.
Yeah, that's just one of the few things that have gone their way today.
Pass to Williams. Here's the chosen one.
Veneziano la spara e sono altri 2 punti. Mamma come sto giocando. Siamo a livello All-Star, eh?
76ers trailed by 14. Dishes it to Noel. That's good.
Però l'importante è vincere la partita, Fioi.
And that's now 19 points.
È la cosa più importante quest'oggi.
That makes it 10 of their last 12 points coming from
Ma
inside
che
the
partita
painted
di
area.
Veneziano a meno addirittura.
The defense has to put a stop to. Maybe a defensive adjustment is necessary here.
Let's find out what Doris Burke has for us.
I was able to listen in on what Tyrone Corbin was going over with
Ehi,
his
vecchio.
team. He told his players to play less as individuals and more as a unit. As he put it, one-on-one play has not yielded them nearly enough open shots. He also wants to see a lot of...
Mamma mia, lo scadere! Altri 2 punti mostruosi di Veneziano.
Guys, we'll see how coach's direction pays off as this one winds down. Kevin?
And thank you, Doris. Richardson off a pick from Young.
Palla ai 76ers.
Will retain possession here. Here's a look at what's coming up for the Utah Jazz. Atlanta will be traveling to face them after this game to start a 3-game homestand with that game.
Yeah, and you know the fans out in LA really hoping for a win.
No, che dormita.
Douglas for 3.
Bello.
It just hasn't been a very good day for him, guys. They need him to start burying some of those.
9-1 Utah, 7-9. Philadelphia.
High percentage shots in the paint.
And it's not necessarily strategic, Clark. It's just a matter of playing with more heart. You got to play hard, guys.
The chosen one passes to Billups.
Dall'angolo impossibile. Era molto duro questo, cazzo.
And it's off the back rim, no good. A decent amount of time left as they try to find a way back into it.
Not time to panic yet, guys.
Steve?
Well, it will be soon if they don't cut into this lead quickly.
Più 10 Utah, 4 minuti alla fine nell'NBA non sono niente.
They've gone 6 of 8 from the field in the fourth so far. It's been a great start to this final quarter for them. Back to Williams. Pass to the chosen.
Kenter lì, no, però basta Kenter.
Palle sto perdendo. He's lost his way a little bit in the second half. He's been turnover free before the break. That's certainly not the case anymore.
Now Douglas kicks to Noel. Now Young inside. Shoot from the right block.
Peccato.
But it's good off the front iron. Young's got it back down to single digits for the 76ers. Utah has gone 2 for 2 from three-point line to start the fourth quarter. Back to Williams.
Buono, giro palla e arrivano 2 punti comodi.
Williams has got 6 assists here tonight. The 76ers shooting it brilliantly here lately. 60% from the field.
Richardson.
Feeds it to Richardson for 3. And the 76ers get it back.
You can't seem to find the range
3 minuti alla fine.
Did a great job in the first, hitting 3 from outside.
Over to the wing. Phillips passes to the chosen. Here's the screen.
Bravo.
Out to the right wing. Phillips goes in.
Vai Chansey. Peccato Chansey.
Shot is off. Excellent defense there from Richardson. The 76ers trail by 10. Douglas with it. Now defended by the chosen one. And Young kicks to Douglas. Turner dishes to Richardson.
Bravissimo, bravissimo Billups.
Jazz have gone 7 of 10 shooting the ball since the start of the fourth quarter. Here's the chosen one, defended by Douglas. Here's Cantor.
Subito veneziano. Altro mattone.
No good.
Awesome defense.
Mattone veneziano purtroppo.
Richardson kicks to Douglas.
Bravissimo Williams.
Here's the chosen one. Turner covering. Throws it up high.
Cosa volevo provare? Alley-oop, cazzo.
And here they go. Williams with the block.
Meno male che hanno sbagliato anche loro.
Here's the chosen one. 1:30 left in the fourth quarter.
Magia veneziana, ragazzi, magia pura,
The screen and lays it up and in. The chosen ones
Che
got 28
partita
points for the game. The
Per poco andava a fare anche la triple double.
Douglas with it. He kicks to Young.
Può arrivare una vittoria no pesante di più
Richardson
a livello di playoff.
Rebounded by Hayward.
He's been wayward and just off on about everything he's put up in this period.
And so only one team answered the bell tonight. Not a monster blowout by any means.
Bravo, Cuba, bravo.
A double-digit victory for Utah.
Right, Steve, and they're fully in control now. But
Pro, primo libero.
for them throughout this game.
No opportunity really to coast.
Secondo tiro libero di merda invece.
That they did. I love the way they came together whenever things started to look bleak.
And this will make it 36 wins on the
52 secondi, ragazzi, vittoria fondamentale. Fuori casa, molto molto bene.
You have to look at his steals and when he would come up with them as major factors in this result.
Jazz have gotten exactly 2/3 of their shots to find the bottom of the net here in the fourth.
Bravissimo come. Eccezionale. 14esimo assist. Mamma mia ragazzi, che partitone.
Just keep on firing, man. No reason to slow down now.
Non ci sono più aggettivi per descrivere il talento del comandone.
Douglas setting the pick for Turner. Pass to Douglas. Young up top to end the drought. And Tony Douglas hits from deep.
A little bit of a defensive breakdown there. He's not the guy you want to leave open on the perimeter. You've got to stay attached to him.
Bravo. Bravo.
Doubled by Noel. The dish now to Rush.
Ah, peccato. 10 secondi ragazzi. 10, 9.
Rush with the steal. Here's the chosen one.
Ma arriva anche i 30 punti, mamma mia. Mamma mia che cubendone, 31 punti, 14 assist, 7 rimbalzi, 3 palle recuperate e una stoppata. Oggi il cubendone ha giocato alla Michael Jeffrey Jordan. Non ho parole per descrivere questa prestazione del Cumenda, cioè veramente. Prestazione di gran classe e di dominio. Raga, un saluto al Cumendone,
Cumenda veneziano, Cumenda veneziano, Cumenda veneziano, lo youtubers italiano. Cumenda veneziano, Cumenda veneziano, Cumenda veneziano, lo youtubers italiano.